steps together. Exercise lab 5 and 6 is to first create a Hadoop cluster, and second, you can manage the Hadoop cluster with the command line, and also in the last step, we're going to visit the another computer through the web browser. You can see the jobs running in there and how many resources it was consuming and stuff like that. Okay, we just to build a cluster of the Hadoop, you need to on these laptops. It's easier. We're gonna use the virtual machine, and we're just gonna do a little bit like configuration work. Major is in these three important files, which is under the Hadoop conf directory, and this one core side. This is for guys to figure out, for this cluster to figure out which one is the server, and to visit which one is not server. Sorry, it's the name node. It's gonna visit and get the information and heartbeat to install. And the second one is the heartbeat. You can see its name is like Hadoop distributed file system site. Do a little bit of configuration here, and the Hadoop is consists of two parts: HDFS and the MapReduce. The third one must be the configuration work for the MapReduce jobs. Okay. So we're gonna start with the virtual machine. You guys all have the virtual machine on your desktop? Okay. There's a virtual machine that was there. You can just ask for it if you need anything. Okay. First of all, we need to specify the IP address for each desktop, because we are using the virtual machine. We can give them whatever we want. But for convenience, we're going to do so I'm going to write down this. Is there a number on the computer? Okay, we're going to use this format and make sure you guys can have the duplicate IP address. And put this here as 11. This is 11. And this is going to start with the number I specified with you. This one is negotiated with your partner. So you can start with the here. Your number here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You understand? Like for this, it can be 11 and 1, whatever you guys can figure out. For you 3, it can be like 2, whatever you want. And then we can start with 3 and whatever you want. Okay, you can just specify the IP address. And I'm going to do a demo here. That was how to run the virtual machine. Do you guys have any problem? Yeah, sure. Okay, your IP address is 192 and 168, 11 and 3, 30, anyone, 31, 39, anything you want. Here. Yeah, sure. Just one and duplicate everything. Same thing, okay?
This is when you click on the name where apply, right? I guess it is.
I got you. Okay. Sure. Your ID is 6, 8, 11, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Your ID is the last one. 70,
And
71, 7, 71, 72.
excuse me.
No, it's okay. You can just go and follow your lab tutorial. You're gonna figure out how to. I can show you.
What's wrong with that? Do we have to have a license?
Okay, it's not licensed. You can just enter any kind of email in there. Anything with @ and .com. So we can import a here, open, and to find your virtual machine is. And while you start the virtual machine, there are going to be a bunch of stuff, and you just click I copied it. This is for the install some plugins update. We just ignore them. It takes a little while for starting. Okay. Are you guys with me this step? Is there anyone I can follow from behind this? We'll wait for a little bit. And for the students who have already been here, you can just go follow the tutorial. You can first specify your IP address. You guys are clear with the IP address, right? Okay.
Is that as a part of
It's already here.
Yeah, so
Because I think maybe this is the one I have done experiment for.
I thought
Yeah, this one.
this one.
Okay, this is because you were trying to install it. Okay, don't do that. That was this one is already here. You need to do this. Yeah, and you can't even find.
I already did it. Just
Okay, I'll do that one. Okay, that's right.
no, but I found it.
Yeah, I'll do the file. Okay, you just do that. Do that. Sorry.
Point one. Point two.
Okay, it's not here. Because I just have this file.
It'll do the
Which is this one?
There is one. Just,
You don't want that scene that
we don't have to test it. Open the lab tutorial. you have one, or you can download one from the website. Okay, we're going to specify IP address for the computers for the desktop here. We can just do this through the command line. It's in the it's a program you can run for that. Cloudera with your network. And here you can specify the IP address. Okay, I can choose 11, 1.1.1, I guess I can choose one. Just and after you enter the IP, you can choose whether yes or no. Okay, yes, okay. You can see this. Okay, here the IP address is down, and we can see it from your IP config. You can find your IP here. That was the Ethernet. This is one that you specify for your desktop. Okay, you guys can ping from the IP from your computer to your partner, and from your partner to your computer.
You get signed
Restart again. Maybe you can log into the data. Okay. You got one more partner for computers not working, and you got the three guys no feedback together. Yeah, 2 or 3 the same. She's not there. Okay, so everyone's following here, right? The pain is working, right?
Yes.
Okay, you can reach out your neighbor. That's great. Okay, so next step we can do install Hadoop. That's great. Okay, just copy put the sudo yum file here. Just run this command. So run this command, and you guys can install the Hadoop on this virtual machine. Here, you choose one yes or no. Put the yes here, and it's going to download the packages and install on your virtual machine. And while we finish the installing here, we can start with configuration with the files. Go to cluster. Everyone's good? We'll go there. That's right. Revenging. Okay. Okay. Open. There's one you can choose. I I copy.
The first line.
Okay, just you know that, right? Okay, just copy. Okay, after the files are installed completely, we're going to do a little bit of configuration work. We're going to copy the config file from one place to here, and after we copy to the directory here, we're going to get a blank new one, and we're going to do our own configuration work here. Okay, that's great. And we're going to go to the where the configuration file that was located in this EGC Hadoop and the conf file. Okay, you can see there's a bunch of files we can do with this. This one is the core side. No, it's the HDF side, and there's MapReduce XML file. But before we do that, we need to make this is what the XML file looks inside, and it's the format we can use. But right now, we have already run this. We need to change the host name. We need to edit this file. Okay, just this step, I think we need the sudo vi this file. We're going to use the vi editor. Okay, what's in here is it's going to make a host name for your computer, for your desktop. And while you're in this window, you need to press the I and change the mode into insert mode and do some update here. At the end of this IP address, you need to press the table. There is one table distance between the IP address and your name here. I can put this as node 1 or whatever. And you need also to write the IP address here because you got more teammate like for my partner, I'm gonna get like this, and I'm gonna ask him what's the name he wants to put for his desktop, and then after you enter his IP address here, you're gonna put the name there. What's your name for the desktop?
Should I choose like any name?
Yeah, anything.
Just no two.
Okay, no 2. I'm gonna put a no 2 here. You also need to do the same work. Just enter there, put your IP address in the table and then go to follow your IP address. Okay. And okay, great. What's your IP address?
2. 1, 2.
12.
1, 2.
Okay, that's right. What's your okay. Okay, here it's gonna be okay, 3. Yeah. Okay, after we edit the file, we need to press the escape and the column and WQ to save your updates here. Okay. What's that? Yeah, the same thing.
My question, like, why we don't need to do all that stuff only in the table? Why we should do it in all the data?
You need to do all of it.
I know, but we should do it. But why we don't decide, like, this is the name that we do this is the configuration.
Yeah, we
Are they
haven't decided
considered?
yeah. We're gonna figure out which one is
In reality, like, they do the same thing, like or they just do this configuration of the name.
All of them are doing the configuration. And for definitely there's a difference between name node and dev node, the configuration. We're gonna see in the following steps. Okay, okay, after this and it's like this. Just make sure there's a table between this. We need to we're gonna go back there. Okay. You guys do this. Yeah, we need to the same file, put the same file, the IP address and the name on each desktop. Okay, there is another file we need to config. It's okay. After finish the IP configuration, there is another we need to configure is here. Just put this line, the host name equals your name, your node. Like for this desktop is node 1, and I'm gonna put node 1 here. For your it's the same name. You just specified for your desktop before. Okay, the same thing here, just follow the step. What's the important like for this desktop? What's the okay, one here for one, yeah, you're for your name. Okay. And the same thing, the next step is to the host name, the host name. Yeah, that's it for this file. And also sudo for change the name.
What's the name of this one?
Okay. Remember, I just put my neighbor. He put his desktop name as Node2, and I can directly ping the Node2 here. It's reachable. There's there's 0 package that was lost. Okay, so everyone's following? Okay, you need to do sudo vi the file name. Yeah. You need to leave here, and then sudo vi. Now this it's a directory. It's not a file. You need to add the file here. Whatever you need to. Yeah, it's a directory. That's why.
you change the local host. Excuse me. Does the order matter like in the
It doesn't matter for the first configuration, right?
like so I'm sure it should not be localhost, it should be like DNA.
Yeah,
Because it's gonna match that.
it's like 0, 1 is
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, got it. Okay. How about if I go 0, 1?
Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Yeah. Just there's a table.
Tab, right?
Yeah, tab. Okay. And yeah, it's your name here. Whatever you think. Yeah, no change.
The most important thing is to have matching between the IP address and.
Yeah, it's you need to consistent. Okay, you need to insert mode. Yeah. And then put this here, host name equals yours no yeah. The name you just specified before. Okay, we already do this one. Ping your neighbor through its name. And all right, after we figure out the IP address, we're going to go directly to the configuration to the Python file system. We're already in this directory here. And just notice here, I want you guys to remember, this is the name and this is for the value. And the format was before shown in the last page. I can show it later. And for this one, name node name is the name you put for the desktop, which is being you guys set up as the name node. Put its name here. For me, like I just if I set my desktop as the name node, and I can put the node 1 as the and instead of this and the column and the 8020. The format for the setup is like this. Each time you add something inside, it's with a property, and between property there be a name and the value. And outside the property there's configuration. Okay, we're gonna add the core side file, XML, and VI, the file name. Okay, just don't forget to press the I to make it as an insert mode. In C here, there's band configuration, and what we want to do is just put property. Property, and between this, there's going to be a name and value. Once left here, you guys can just figure out which one you can do, which one's a job check, or you guys can do. See, it takes time for Okay, the format is going to be like this. It's going to be like this, and the value inside will be just like this format, and you can forward between the configuration, the property, the name, value, be very careful to not make any typo. Otherwise, your class is gonna start very
Why don't you go back?
I think we got them.
You have to specify the port.
Yeah, it's the same part, just the part, just this. The name node here, this part gonna be the name. If you want to be the name node, yeah, same thing.
Are you using the item?
Yeah, yeah. Okay. This is for the setup, and you need to put the name of the name node, which the desktop has been selected as the name node. This name put here, and then we're gonna WQ in save and quit editor. The same thing, we can edit another one. This is HDFS. Okay. For this one, it's the same thing here. The name and the value. The name is here, the value is here. Okay, it's here.
I need your help. I have a problem with the same thing. It's clean, then on,
Okay, I'm thinking I need to type the pseudo. You need to do again, yeah, this one. You need to do with the pseudo. And then you can do, yeah, again, start over. Okay. It's the same thing goes here. We need to do the configuration work for the HDFS side file. Yeah. Which one? Oh, yeah. We need to do the HDFS, yeah. Okay, there's a problem about my previous setup. It's yeah, it's here. It's not only the node 1. Sorry guys, it's the whole thing here. It's the HDFS name node. And the name of the name node and 8020. It's not only this one.
We have to put it on.
Yeah, you need to put the same phone number, 8020. Sorry guys.
What's that?
No, I just want to show the format and you can follow put the name there. No, we need to put the, okay, yeah, one second. I gotta write the right thing down here. What you need to do is you need to